Okay, so let's do this naman. Addition and subtraction of fractions. So meron tayong dalawang given. Okay. So sa number 1 example, we have 6 over 5 minus 3 over 5. So first thing that we're going to do is get the LCM, okay, of both fractions. So the LCM of both fraction is, since that is the same, that will be 5. Okay. Then, next thing that we're going to do, after getting the LCM, the least common multiple, yung numerator ng both fraction, we're going to minus. 6 minus 3, that will be 3. Okay. So, the answer will be 3 over 5. Or, we can use another method, which is butterfly method. Okay, so meron tayong 6 over 5 minus 3 over 5. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, multiply muna natin tong dalawa, this side. So 6 times 5, that will be 30. Okay, then after that, yung kabilang side naman, 5 times 3, that will be 15. Okay. Then, after that, multiply natin yung denominator. So, 5 times 5, that will be 25. Then, next thing that we're going to do is to minus 30 to 15. So, 30 minus 15, that will be 15. Getting the GCF. Okay, so para makuha natin yung GCF, greatest common factor, we're going to divide it by 5, the numerator and the denominator. So, 15 divided by 5, that will be 3. 25 divided by 5, that will be 5. So, as you can see, you get same answer. So, medyo mahaba lang tong isa. Okay, number 2. So, sa number 2 naman, we're going to get the LCM. Since yung denominator magkaiba ng value, ang gagawin natin, we're going to multiply. So, 3 times 2, that will be 6. Okay? Then, after that, 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Okay? So, 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay? Plus, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? So, 3 times 1, that will be 3. So, let's simplify. So, 4 plus 3, that will be 7 over 6. So, let's try it in another way using butterfly. So, I'll copy this one again. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So, multiply muna natin tong sides na to. So, 2 times 2, that will be 4. Then, yung kabilang side naman, 3 times 1, that will be 3. Then, both yung denominator, that is 3 times 2, that will be 6. Okay? Then, add natin yung minultiply nating dalawang value. 4 plus 3, that will be 7. So, the answer will be 7 over 6. Same lang with the first one.